Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I'm going to show you one indicator, and first let me show you the results. 100% accuracy, but there is a problem as well. The problem is it will give you 100% accurate signals, okay, but the problem is here you can see when you got the signal market going upside. So I will tell you how you can get exact position. I will go give you all detail. Here you can see this is your sell position. How I know this is your sell position, I will show you. For we have to add one more indicator. Simple Loga 4.8. Okay, and here let me show you this one. You will get lot of consistent profit. Okay, now here you can see when you got the sell signal you have need to open the sell position. This is the RSI. Let me show you clear instructions. There is a band line, okay, two band line, upper band line, lower band line, and there is RSI. The RSI is the most important one, okay. And now when the RSI is coming upside from the upper band line, here you can see this is the in this point where you can see RSI is coming below from the lower band line. Here you can see RSI is coming upside. These are actually our bought and our sold condition, and this is our point. We have need to catch these moments. Let me show you here. When you got the sell signal, you do not need to open your sell position at this point. You have need to find a position when the RSI come upside from the upper band line and this green line change to the red one. This is your sell position. Put your stop loss here and take profit when the candle touch to the lower band line. That's it. Here you can see this one sell position, and you can see take profit. Let's find out more position. Here you can see this candle your sell position. Put your stop loss here and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, this is not your exact position. We will find out the exact position. I will show you a live example as well. Here you can see you got the buy position. You have need to open your buy position at this point, okay, this point, this candle. Put your stop loss here and take profit like this one. This is your buy position again, and close the trade when you got the sell signal. That's it. Simple, very simple. Okay, let's find out. Here you got the sell signal. This is your sell position. Put your stop loss here, take profit in this candle. This candle you take profit. Okay, let's find out more. Here you can see sell position. Put your stop loss here, take profit. Okay, let's find out more. Sell position, put your stop loss here, and you can see you got amazing profit. Let's find out more positions. Let's find out. Here you can see buy position, take profit, and this is your again buy position because the RSI is coming below from the lower band line and the red line change to the green ones. Here you can see clearly visible this one buy position. Put your stop loss here and take profit like this one. Indicator name is SNX, and let me show you the results in crypto pairs and some other pairs like Euro USD. Let me show you. Here you can see sell position, and here you can see this is your sell position, sell positions, sell position, and you can see market going downside, and after getting the sell signal. Okay, this is your buy position, and again buy position, and you can see you got amazing. If you go to the study tester, it will give you the accuracy of around 100%. That is amazing one. Okay, let's find out more signal in some other pairs like Bitcoin. Okay, so go to the study tester and it will give you accuracy of around 94.74%. That is really awesome. Go to the Ethereum. Okay, 90 around 100% accuracy. But the problem is you have need to follow the strategy like I tell you. Okay, do not need to follow only buy and sell signal. You have need to follow. Sorry, there is a cold weather here, so that's why. Okay, now let me show you here. Sell position, you can see buy position, amazing one. in the Ethereum. That is Ethereum. Okay. Okay, let me show you the results in the BNP. Okay. Okay, that is really awesome. Buy position at this point. Okay, after getting the buy position, we have need to wait for the RSI to come below from the RSI. Okay, then you can see. Okay, let's find out. Here we got buy position. Okay, now this was the most recent buy signal, and amazing, amazing, man. This one, when you got the position, the price was 859, 856, and you got the 865. Okay, that is really awesome. Okay, and if you want to see the results in some other pairs, like let me show you SPX, because okay, go to static tester, and 82%, 82.83% around. Okay, that is awesome. That is really awesome. Okay, not a bad at all. You can see that that is really awesome. Okay, if you want to see the results in some other pairs, and like some other pairs, like let me show you uh, SPY US 100. Okay, 97%, that is really awesome. And let me show you some results from other pairs, like Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, where is Bank Nifty? Okay, here it give you around 92%. Here you can see that is really awesome. Okay, that is really awesome, man. Mind blowing. Okay, now the question is how you can get this indicator. So the indicator, my indicators are paid, not free of course, but if you need, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. And if you WhatsApp and Telegram, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels, there are scammers, so you need to be away from the scammers. Okay, and Gmail, simpleyoga@gmail.com. Okay, and my website is under construction, simpleyoga.com. Very soon my website will be in working condition, and you will get awesome results. Okay, any question or any query, you can ask me, contact me WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. For the next video, bye bye, take care, and enjoy. For the next video, bye bye, take care.